What's the meaning of Britpop? Britpop. Britpop.
Britpop. Britpop. Britpop is a cultural movement that originated in the United Kingdom in the mid-1990s. It emerged as a response to grunge music from the United States and emphasized Britishness and nostalgia for Britain's musical past. Britpop artists often drew influences from 1960s British rock, including bands like the Beatles, the Kinks, and The Who. The genre produced a number of successful acts such as Oasis, Blur, Pulp, and Suede, who incorporated catchy melodies, witty lyrics, and a working-class aesthetic into their music. Despite its commercial success, Britpop had a relatively short lifespan and began to decline in popularity by the late 1990s.